Hi, welcome to Sikkhon.com. In today's video, we are going to solve a query from one of our subscribers. How in an MS Excel document, by using AutoFill, we can automatically put the name of the months. He wants to know how can he use this system. He is facing problems in using serial numbers automatically like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in it. In today's question and answer session, we are going to see how we can use AutoFill in MS Excel regarding numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or 101, 102, basically all the serial number. We are going to learn how we can automatically bring these numbers just by dragging. So this total problem will be solved in today's video. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like and share the video. So let's start today's class. So, the question that was being raised by one of our subscribers was that in our previous class, we had learned about the autofill option in MS Excel. If you automatically want to bring the month name or the week name or any serial number, the autofill system in MS Excel, how we are going to work on it. Many times while making result sheet or any type of sheet, we face many kinds of problems. Today, we are going to learn that by using AutoFill, how we will do numbering and the month's name which are there, how we will get them automatically. In the beginning, only for using AutoFill, we have already seen in our earlier classes. For example, if I want to autofill month's name and if I write January or give just JAN. After that, from here, if I stretch it and drag it, then I can notice that from the right side in the corner, March, May, June are appearing automatically in the screen. So we can see here January, February, March, April, May, June is appearing automatically on our screen. So in this way, if you want to autofill the month's name in MS Excel, we can easily use this feature by writing one month's name and drag it and the rest of the names comes up automatically. Now, for example, if I write the full name here, let's write January and press enter. Now if I drag it to the right side of the screen, then we can notice that all the months' name have appeared. That means when I gave the short form here, then autofill of short form appeared. And when I gave the full name here, then the autofill format gave the full name here. So in these two methods that we showed in the screen, we can notice that we didn't press anything else here. We just clicked on January and just dragged it. And then automatically the names appeared on the screen of MS Excel. But if I want to format the serial number, for example, if I press 1 here, then if I drag it, now if I leave it, we can see that all the numbers are copied here. So this is the main problem of our member. Two of our members have questioned us and messaged us about this problem. They are asking the solution to this problem. They are writing the month's name and the autofill is working right. But if they are putting numbers, it is just copying them. So what do we do to correct this? So when we drag it, then we can see one option here downwards. It is called MS Excel's autofill option. So if we click on this icon, then we will notice that there are 4 options here. So we can see that they are copy cells, fill series, fill formatting only, fill without formatting. So from here, if we click on the second option, then we will notice that the number is appearing to 11 automatically. So when we will work with number formatting, then we just have to click here and then go to fill series. By clicking on this option, we can see that automatically our numbers will become in series. Now if any serial number starts from 100 or 99, many a times our series starts from like 101, 102. So if I write 101 here and press enter, and then if we drag it, if we notice here, again the same problem is coming back. So if we click here and click on fill series, then we can notice that it is now in serial wise. Now after applying it, for example, if I give some content here, we need some more fields. So now if I drag it from here, then we can notice that again 105 is copied here. So I will give fill series again from here. Then again it becomes in series in a continuous way. So after doing some work, to some extent, if I feel that I have to add some more numbers to my work in serial wise, then in that case, if I want, I can continue from there in this way. So we will use autofill like this and work on our documents. Now one more thing, if we take January month, so let's take another example. Let's cut this. Now when we are working with the calculation where we need the January in all the cells, that means we don't want 12 months here. In the sheet which I am doing, we need all the cells as January. So what will we do in that case? We will first click here. After clicking, when we select on the month, we can see that the fill series is automatically selected. So we will ignore this option now and go to the first option now, which is copy cells, and then click on it. Then we can notice that all the cells have become January now. So we might need such kinds of things for our work. We can keep all the fields name same and also work on the monthly system. In the same way, if I want to make the names of the week automatically, for example, if I write Saturday here and write a short form here and drag it, then we will see that all our week names appear here automatically. Now let's click here. After that, if we notice here, let us scroll down in this area first. When I used week, then we can notice that we can see that fill weekdays and fill day. Two options have appeared here. So if we give fill weekdays, then we can notice that our weekdays are the only things that are showing here. So no weekends are showing. Now we can see that it's showing Saturday, Monday. But there is no Sunday here because globally Sunday is accepted as a holiday, due to which our weekdays are all the days except Sunday. So if we want, we can take out the weekdays like this. But how many weekdays are there we can take out? And then we can work on it. And if we need automatic serial, the way we have given month's name, in the same way, the days of the week, Saturday, or by writing just Sat and dragging it, we can work on it. If anytime our automatic options don't work, then obviously we will go to AutoFill and click on Fill Series option. And then we can work on our document. So this was for today's question and answer class. We saw that one of our members' question of auto format. How did we solve that problem today? If you have any other problem, let us know by commenting on this video. Or you can go to our Facebook page, facebook.com/Sikkhon, and message us there. Or you can go to our forum, forum.sikkhon.com, and you can upload your questions there and get your solutions. Thank you for being with Sikkhon.com's question and answer session today.